Wall angels, you're going to stand against the wall and put your shoulder blades back against the wall and raise your hands like you're doing a snow angel, keeping your hands touching the wall the entire time. They go up and down. Wall push-ups. So hands on the wall, angle yourself at your feet away from the wall a little bit and do push-ups on the wall. Wall shoulder press. So arms, shoulder blades, and arms at the wall, and you're going to press straight up, squeezing your shoulders. Arm circles, you're going to draw a circle with your hand to the wall. You'll go forward and backward. And wall chest stretch, you're going to put your elbow and palm on the wall and turn away from the wall so that it stretches your chest.